There he is. Saw him come up and hit it again. Hey now, hey now, hey now. 5 River Rod Benders. We are back again today. Super excited to fish some new water. We are on the Mad River, but we are in a completely unexplored, different stretch of the river. Google Maps is your friend. Get on there, look around for parks, see what you can find. You never know what you might be surprised with. It's a good resource. This water looks tasty behind us. Like I said, we're on the Mad River. However, we're south of where Buck Creek dumps into it in Springfield. So the number of species available in this stretch of the river should be completely different than up north where we catch those brown trout. But we won't know unless we get a line wet. And that's what we're about to do. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, see what we can catch. Water looks pretty clear. It's been raining here in Ohio, but luckily the rain hasn't really done much to the water at all. It's all been getting soaked up by the ground. We like that. Like I said, it looks clear. I'm gonna try this Slim SwimZ Bad Shad color. Got a 1/16 of an ounce already tied on here. Found us a spot. Current looks good. Depth looks good. Who knows what we can catch in a new stretch of water. Oh, that was a bite. There's a fish. Oh, he got off. Okay, that's a good sign. First cast bite. That's all right. We'll see what's going on behind this bridge piling. I got some nice still water right here. Current coming through. Bridge piling. Looks fishy. It's very fishy. This spot looks super fishy to me, and I'm having a hard time walking away from it until we catch something. So we changed colors. We're going to run a little bit of a whiter but still natural. Got that on an 1/8 of an ounce jig head. There's got to be something in here. There we go. He hit it on the fall. Oh, I can move on now. I thought for sure there would be some fish in here. Big old rock bass. Look at that dude. Dang. I wonder if that's a Fish Ohio. I'm not going to go back to my bag and check, but that is a dandy rock bass. Look at that guy. Take a picture of him because he's cute. That's a nice rock bass. Come on, son. That was a little smallmouth one after it. Saw him bite. They are hitting it. Just having a hard trouble finding them today. There he is. Saw him come up and hit it again. That's way down there. Big flip. Big flip. Sorry, the bass. We can do that. Nice. Nice little smallmouth. He's beefy. Freaking heavy jaw on this dude. Nice. Little creek smallie. Little tiny river smallie. Let's try it. That'll be okay. See, got any friends in there? There's another one. There's another one. Nice. They're eating it. He wanted it. Look out. Little creaky dude. We'll catch them all day. We love it. Don't get me wrong, I'd like to catch Big Mama. But in lieu of getting skunked, I'll catch these little dudes all day, especially in a new stretch of unexplored water. Always exciting. There's a fish, baby. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? You never know till you get them in here. Chub. Big chub. The size of that creek chub. If there was a Fish Ohio for creek chub, that would probably qualify. Holy cow. That's a giant chub. Big old slimy chub guy. There's another bite. What could this be? The Slim SwimZ is putting it on them today. That is another, that's an even bigger chub. Oh my gosh. PB chub, look at the size of this freaking chub. Holy moly. Wow. That's a musky bait if I ever saw one. Holy cannoli. That is a giant chub pooping all over the place. Gee whiz. Wow. That's a PB chub right there, ladies and gentlemen. New personal best. There's another fish right there on the edge of that current. Oh my gosh, I have gotten into the biggest chubs I've ever seen in my life. This is ridiculous. Holy cow, this one's even bigger than the last one. That's 3 PB chubs in a row. Holy moly. Wow, I need to take a picture of this dude. This is crazy. I'm catching chubs with a 2.5-inch swim bait. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my gosh. We're gonna measure it. We're gonna measure a chub. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Gigantic chub. I think we're in frame here. It's a 12.25-inch creek chub. 12-inch. Let's let him go. He's fine. I got chub grease all over my hands and my phone, but freaking 12-inch chub. Never did I ever expect to be catching PB Creek chubs today. That just goes to show you. Never know what will happen when you go out fishing. You just never know. Hoping for smallmouth, rock bass, maybe even a random brown trout. But a friggin' 12-inch creek chub, that's unbelievable. Unreal. All right, America, we are done for today. Searched a new stretch of river, top to bottom in this little park here. Came up against some private property, had to turn around. But we got some nice little smallies, a donkey rock bass, and 3 personal best creek chubs back to back to back. Each one bigger than the last. Really didn't expect that, especially on a 2.5-inch swim bait. Crazy. But this is a nice stretch. We're going to come back here after things warm up a little bit more and give it another shot, because there are some tasty holes in this area. Get out, explore some new water, and get some bend in your rod. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you've done so already, I thank you very much. And until next time, go get some bend in your rod.